We lined up the Congress, our boys in the SEC. It cost us a lot. And you stopped it. Because it was illegal?
No. I stopped it because I wasn't enjoying it.
That attitude tends to scare people. I'm sorry, Lawrence. You need to find a new career.
There are plenty of customers out there for my skills that are just as corrupt as you guys.
Your clientele is going to dry up rather suddenly after this, Lawrence.
Thanks for the career advice, but I'll leave that up to the free market.
Good luck with that, Lawrence. When you get too cynical, betrayal becomes.
Second nature.
Mr. Dennison, Agent O'Connor, FBI, you're under arrest for violation of securities fraud law. Title 18, USC 1834.
I have to thank Dennison, though. It was definitely time to go freelance. I was in that zone where I knew too much to be useful, but not enough to play the game. They were all guilty, I could see that.
How do they make their profit with unprofitable banks? That needs to be explained.
Isn't this a beautiful conundrum? If we understand this conundrum, we understand how modern finance works. That Europe is creating this kind of con, this kind of bubble with Greek banks. As we know, every time these vultures step into the fray, this means that this is a dead body.
I just kept telling myself if I kept moving, somehow the dirt wouldn't have time to stick. At least that's what I told myself.
It began with the vulture funds.
Yeah, it began. Yeah.
When the rest of the hedge funds and the investors saw that the vultures that had gone in made a killing. And when they see that Eurostat, the ECB, the Berlin government are supporting insupportable claims that Greece has a surplus and the Greek banks are fine, when everybody knows that that is not the case, then immediately, do you know what they think? Well, these people are issuing bonds which they will back, at least for a while, simply in order to back up their story.
Extremely short-sighted perspective, because sooner or later,
that's finance.
Sooner or later, the truth will come out.
Sooner or later, and the whole point about these purchases is that they will have sold them before the truth is revealed.
And what will happen then?
The whole thing is going to, it's the nemesis that follows the hubris.
There is no data that means shit on its own. It's all connected. The client pays me to follow a lead, I follow it. He pays more, I follow more. Bank documents, government records, love letters, death threats. Everything is connected to something else. It's up to the client what he wants to pay for. But he may not be ready for where it winds up. So I collect half in advance. This time we wind up with the monster of Tirana and $1 billion laundry bill.
At Standing Rock, as the nation gathered in support of that, we realized that a major way to move the movement forward would be to actually take our money out of the banks that are funding these fossil fuel pipelines and infrastructure. We've done a lot of concerted lobbying. We've tried to build those relationships and provide a lot of education within City Hall. And, you know, we've really changed a lot of hearts and minds.
She was good. Too good for me, I knew that. She could guess that my business was tweaked.
How did it go?
I spared her the details.
It was okay. Got a few big donations. It's not enough, though. There's a lot of people falling through the cracks.
I don't know why you keep at it. You're not rich, you know.
Maybe you can ignore other people's hardships, but I can't.
Hey, I used to take part in all that stuff. I was idealistic once.
And now you're just in it for yourself, right?
Are we talking about this again? I'm tired. I want to retire. It's a hostile world out there, and I don't have the energy for lost causes.
We're people, Lawrence.
I get it. I'm sorry. Come here.
Hey. I don't know how long I can do this.
What are you saying, Rachel? You have your thing and I have mine. I'm not proud of what I'm doing. And you know I'm trying to quit this.
I know you mean it, but I've heard it before. It's just how you are.
This is the world we live in. It's sweet that you're so idealistic. But I'm done reaching for the stars at the expense of my own well-being. Come here.
I'm not in the mood. You used to be a lot more interesting.
And I used to be a lot poorer. Whatever. Knock yourself out. I learned my lesson. I'm okay looking out for myself.
You've always been good at that.
I thought you liked that about me.
I liked the part that you hadn't already sold.
Not sold. Just rented. You'll have me back soon, I promise.
I don't know how long I can wait for that.
Hey.
I've always had a soft spot for the uncorrupted. A club that I could never join.
That was a very fast turnaround. Will save us a lot of trouble.
Time is a precious commodity. I try to use it sparingly.
Needless to say, we are very pleased with your work. Here is the balance of your payments. And if you don't mind me asking, how did you find out about the Doremus connection? We don't have any record of it.
There's a transaction through Budapest. The currency swaps that were set up by Goldman, Doremus was in it from the very beginning. There was an Albanian gang, the leak was through the gang, and I just followed it.
Ah! You are a true professional, Lawrence. I'm sure you realize how profitable this will be for DMG Group. We will beat Doremus to the table.
That's your business, not mine.
Let's celebrate. I have an excellent cabinet, if you care to join it. Sure. Cheers.
Cheers!
Cheers.
This is good. But I have a question for you, Kurt. The Albanians had a document about a transaction going through the National Bank of Greece, and it mentioned the DMG Group.
Really? A transaction through us?
I would check your rank and file. You may have a mole.
Was it a significant amount?
1.3 billion euros. But the strange thing was, there was no record of a withdrawal. And then when I got into the Zurich accounts, there was no deposit, no records, nothing. Only an annotation in Greek. I had it translated. It said Toarnaki, which in Greek means the little lamb.
That's curious. In Greek, you say? You have any thoughts about this more?
It might have been connected to the ECB accounts, but it's hard to say. They've covered their tracks very well.
Crafty little buggers, aren't they? But you don't need to trouble yourself about that. I'll deal with that. However, I do need you to check out one more thing. And it's important not to alert the ECB about this. We have detected large shipments of gold bullion that seem to come regularly from Berlin to Zurich. There they change planes. And from there, we don't know where they go.
I thought we were finished.
After this, please. I have an additional payment for you. Here's the first half up front.
Do you know who it is?
We have an idea. There is a player who goes by the name Zorik. We don't know where he's from, but we think maybe a Russian thief-in-law. He was seen in a club with Putin last year. It's important that you tell no one about this.
So you want me to go to Zurich?
They'll transfer the container to another plane. Find out where it's going.
Okay, but after this, I'm retired.
Ah, tired of corporate intelligence. Getting out while the getting is good. I can't blame you. I should have gotten out a long time ago. But I'm afraid for me it's too late. Mephistopheles has my soul. But of course, there are benefits. To your long and peaceful retirement, Lawrence.
Cheers. Cheers. Baldenstein was an odd bird. Always paid on time. Didn't ask too many questions. He wasn't any worse than most. And I was glad to have it all kept under the radar. He was good at that. I was already planning how I would make things up to Rachel. I had my return trip booked for the same day. I wasn't even going to spend the night there. Yeah, I'm here. Flight number?
5829 to Stuttgart.
5829 to Stuttgart.
It's supposed to go into a vehicle in block E44. Look for it. You'll have to find your way down to the loading bay. Good luck.
Got it.
Yes.
Yeah, I was attacked. Yeah, there was a bald guy with dark glasses.
Probably Zorik. Listen, you must go to Athens. I think I have the Greek banking connection. A man by the name of Stravos.
Is this part of the same job? I don't like getting attacked.
Stravos holds the answers. Meet with him. Ask him about Port Marion investments. He will give you a package. After that, your job is finished.
Cyprus.
What's that?
You sent me here to find out where the gold was going. Cyprus. It's going to Cyprus.
Ah, yes, Cyprus. That makes sense. Russians. Call me when you've seen Stravos.
the biggest crowds I think we've seen. And those crowds are sending a message not just to their own government that they think this is too much austerity, but also to the wider European financial community, saying that there is only so much that a country can take. And don't forget that this weekend there is a crucial EU summit on the future of the Eurozone. And once again, nearly 18 months after Greece received its first financial bailout, it is still right at the top of the agenda. And the message from many people here is, yes, we know there has to be change.
Holy shit! What the fuck? What the fuck is that?
It's the politics, you know, politics.
Oh my god.
Wait, sorry, I go around.
What the fuck?
Why the fuck would he send me here? Dharnaki, the little lamb. I don't know why that stuck with me. The lamb. The offering. This was a mistake. I had a nasty feeling that I was here to take part in some kind of sacrifice.
Stravos' apartment is across from the Acropolis, next to the museum. I just spoke to him. He's expecting you. I must warn you, he may try to get you drunk. He likes to live well.
Got nasty again here. There have been running battles between a small but militant minority in the crowds and the police. Molotov cocktails have been thrown, rocks have been thrown. They've even burnt down a little guardhouse outside Parliament, and the police have been responding with tear gas and stun grenades.
me go.
You've been following me.
I'm not. It's not what you think.
You were in Zurich. You saved my life. What's going on?
I don't know who you are. I know they were trying to kill you. You must know too much. We need people who know.
Who is trying to kill me?
Your employers? Zurich?
What makes you think I work for Zurich?
You knew about the gold.
I'm not working for Zurich. I work for myself. I trade in information.
Well, then they must have thought that you had too much information.
Who do you work for?
Like you, I work in information, and I work for myself.
Extortion.
More like a journalist.
And why would I not turn you over to them immediately?
Because they were trying to kill you. And I have a feeling that's not your style.
Why should I trust you?
I'm not your enemy.
What's in it for you?
Justice.
No such thing.
Hope.
Now you mystify me.
There are terrible things happening in my country. Beatings, murders, terrorism, fascists.
And you hope to stop it?
I do what I can to stop the financing.
So you're an idealist?
Not at all. I'm a pragmatist. And pragmatically speaking, for the good of humanity, fascism must be destroyed.
I agree with you there, but you have your work cut out for you.
We're both in the information business. I need it for the fate of my country. And you need it for...
An early retirement?
A mercenary.
Of sorts.
Of course, you must manage to live long enough to retire.
Yes, and there seems to be someone interfering with my plans.
The time is now. There will be no later chance. Take these. You'll need them.
Thanks. You're a pro.
More like an enthusiast.
I won't ask what they did to get on your bad side.
Don't.
I have to go meet with my contact. It's a banker named Stravos.
Stravos, of course.
They'll be suspicious if I don't show. Will you be safe?
Don't worry about me. A burning city is a blossoming flower.
That sounds familiar. Alex von Das. Wasn't he the rapper who was killed by the fascists? The Sunhawk Party was responsible, weren't they?
Yes. They didn't like his anti-racist views. They said he was a threat. But he wasn't like that.
So you knew him?
He was my brother.
I'm sorry. So this is personal?
Politics is personal.
The fascists spoil everyone's business, don't they? But what does it have to do with Stravos?
You don't know. Stravos is financing the Sunhawks.
But didn't he just make a big speech denouncing them?
That's his public stance. Privately, he hires them to make hate for the immigrants. He and his German banker friends are looting Greece. He wants the people to blame the migrants. They have no choice. They are poor, and they come escaping worse places to come to Greece. They come seeking hope. That's all Alex was saying in his music.
I see. But how does a girl like you expect to go against that lot?
A girl like me? You Americans. I was in the secret police under the Papandreou government. Let's just say I learned a thing or two.
Clearly. So this is about you getting revenge on Stravos, is that it?
Revenge is for operas and American movies. No, I have a more important objective. There is a list. bankers and officials and their bribes. Swiss bank accounts, everything. Stravos and Waldenstein.
You mean Waldenstein is working with Stravos?
You really don't know, do you? Waldenstein, Stravos, and Zorek are manipulating the economy. They force banks to lend too much money. Then when the banks fail, they buy them for nothing and consolidate their power. Then they impose austerity measures on the people who had nothing to do with the bank's failure. They hire thugs like the Sunhawks to put the blame on the poor immigrants and to silence the cries of those who speak out, like they did to my brother.
And the list. You mentioned a list. Do you have it?
Let's just say I know how to get it.
Well, that would explain why Waldenstein has been trying to get me killed. You sure about this list?
Yes, but I need your help. Stravos has it. I'll go with you.
You were expecting that I was meeting with Stravos.
Why else would you be in Athens? It's obvious. We have been watching them for some time.
Well, let's go then.
Separately from here.
Yes. Dear me. Dear me. You intrigue me, Mr. Lawrence. I wish I had your job. It must be nice to be invisible. All I have are press conferences. So, I have a deal for you.
Do I seem to be shopping for deals?
Oh, some deals are how you said America must have. Once in a lifetime to die for.
You know about Waldenstein. Why would I agree?
Because I know what he has in mind for you. Did what happened in Zurich not surprise you? I think you have been naive, Mr. Lawrence.
Everyone has plans for me, it seems. I like to make my own plans.
Yes, yes, you are a true professional, huh? Independent, a journeyman. But I have the direct information, and it doesn't look good for you.
I didn't know you cared. So what's your scheme?
Only this. Until Thursday, you work for me. After that, you're on your own.
I'm waiting for the offer.
Free passage, safe passage, to Cairo.
Cairo is bullshit. I might do it for Costa Rica, but not Cairo.
It takes a little more doing. Okay, Costa Rica. Waldenstein is my business associate, but alas, he is not my friend. I don't mind if you tell him that, he would agree. But there has been something that has troubled me about our arrangements with the EU fund. And as you can imagine, a man in my position has many mouths to feed, and those mouths have teeth.
And they're getting hungry.
Let me get to the point. I need to know what you have found out about DMG Group, about Waldenstein, and about the 1.3 billion. I need to know what documentation you have so that I can make a case to my board. That is why I need 3 days of your time. You could get that in 3 days. You know about Zurich?
I've heard the name.
Nobody knows what he is really up to. But I know. I have something to show you. Come with me. Oh. Damn pieces. It's always crashing.
I believe you. You don't need to show me that. I need to get going.
Unbelievable.
I'll think about your offer and get back to you.
There are almost 6,000 numbered accounts in Swiss banks. These are government officials. There's no way they could have this much from their public salary.
Is this over here? Military officers?
Yes, large payments from Deutsche Mechanik Arbeiten, German armament manufacturers.
Some kind of kickback scheme for German companies to get contracts from Greek officials.
German EU loans to the Greek government to support German armament manufacturers. Loans that the Greek people have to pay back.
Must be their idea of crowdsourcing. 600 million euros transferred to XAU-USD.
That's gold. 600 million euros worth of gold bullion from Zurich to Cyprus.
That's DMG Group, Waldenstein's firm. Gotta get this to the press. Payment to another office? Looks like to a police captain?
Anagnos. He's a fascist. He's with the Sunhawks. That's the one. He's responsible for my brother's murder.
Really? The police captain?
They're fascists. They want to criminalize the immigrants.
We're safe here, I suppose.
As safe as anywhere. I don't think we're followed.
You're hurt. We should tend to it.
Here.
It's okay, relax. You can't let this get infected. Just a minute.
La pedimuela. He's made arrangements to meet with Waldenstein.
So you're doing your own surveillance. Nice work.
Too easy. They're meeting at the Villa Inglifada. Let's go.
What's wrong?
Золото прибыло на Кипр.
Dorsal. The gold is safely in Cyprus, my friends. Not to worry.
There were to be no records, you hear me? Was I not clear?
This is a dirty business, Herr Waldenstein. I'm forced to deal with a lot of unsavory characters. But you see, without this sort of associate, this kind of work is almost impossible. Take Isvan here. Come forward. Let me see. Isvan, you see, is altogether a very competent, efficient, talented deputy. Boris, on the other hand, is an alcoholic lout. He's a womanizer with the unfortunate curse of being repulsive to women. A bit slow upstairs, I'm afraid. A slow learner. I caught him with his hands in the till once or twice. Boris, show my friend. No worries, my friends. This business is finished. Isvan was your leak. It was he who failed to erase the last reference of the DMG group. Satisfied.
I appreciate your gesture, but it is hardly satisfying. Since the leak is already out, we don't know how far it's gone, and we only have your word that he was the last contact.
This gives me indigestion. The carpet will be ruined. You will take the body away, I hope.
Go to your board meetings and your press conferences. Make it all look nice for the European public. We'll take care of the rest.
Tucky!
Unbelievable.
Well, now since that's over, here's the rest of the deal. The armaments package. Missiles, launchers, submarines.
You think Greece was at war?
Your cut is generous, don't complain.
I'm not complaining. Your manufacturers make their profits in Germany. I have to make mine here in Athens. Huh? No problem. Billions. 2 billion. Submarines. I'll have to come up with some crazy sales pitch to push that through Parliament. And the Western media may find it of interest. And then elections, that may change things.
Elections must have no effect on our agreements. That's why I rely on you, Taki. Your job is to maximize the efficiency of our little enterprise. Governments are meaningless. It's us bankers who are the authorities. Listen. Mention your commitment to NATO, your need for offshore surveillance. You know such well.
There is the issue of national sovereignty. There are those among us who will object on principle.
You and I both know your national sovereignty evaporated with the euro. You know what to do.
There will be public backlash too.
My friends in Frankfurt will shut you down. It will take years for your public to catch on. And by then...
I see. If I spread the profits around to the right parties, then I think I can work something out. But still, the billions. That is a lot of government money to push through in a very short time.
That's what austerity measures are for. Pensions, university funds. Sell me that rail yard I asked you about. All this dead weight. Dig deep. You'll find something.
If we dig any deeper, we'll end up in America.
Let's purchasing German armaments.
Lawrence is to be dealt with as soon as possible. We must find out what he knows. He's a liability as long as he's alive.
I made him the offer. He smells something funny. He doesn't come back to the hotel. I don't think he'll run away at this point, but he is hiding something.
We need him alive until we know what he has.
located Zorik, and I think he's after you.
What are you talking about?
The gold? On its way to Cyprus via Stuttgart? They've flagged it as your company, DMG Group. Figures that come from Stravos' office. Also apparently tied to payments to government officials, bribes, kickbacks. Very busy fellow, this Stravos. But I wouldn't contact him until I found out more. I have a meeting with my contact at the National Bank in a few minutes. I'll call you after that.
What? Wait, Lawrence, I'm so sorry this has been so much trouble for you. Come home. I'll give you the rest of your fee.
I'd love to do that, Kurt. But this Zorik guy seems to be after me as well, and that needs to be dealt with. I'll call you when that's done.
Well, it seems Mr. Lawrence has gotten into your records.
What?
Yeah, the leaks, payments, everything.
How?
I told you he's a professional. We have to find him. Do I have to do everything myself? Billy.
Yeah.
It's time to terminate.
Jawohl.
I always have a plan B.
I know someone who can help us. I must go warn Eleni. Meet me at this address on Ammonia Square. Got it.
Sweetie, it's me.
Hey babe, what's up?
I need you to do something for me.
What do you need? I'm about to go to yoga.
You need to leave there. Go and stay in the flat in Venice.
Are you kidding me?
I'm serious. There's some bad people after me, and they're going to be after you. Also, I think I have something for you to pass on to your press contacts. We're blowing the whistle on some big financial crimes.
What, are you turning into some kind of activist or something?
Thought you knew.
I can't wait to hear what's changed your attitude.
Remember the lead you had on BBHM Securities funneling money into the U.S. election campaign?
You have something on BBHM?
Got names, account numbers, all kinds of other fun facts. Can I count on you?
For this? You bet. I don't know what's gotten into you, but I like it.
I'm just tired of sleepwalking.
You coming back soon?
As soon as I can, babe. You know I love you.
I love you too. But something must be really wrong for you to say it. Stay safe.
Boss! Nee.
Su palikari!
Ciao, sono Ariano!
Ria su me barca, a mesos!
could hide out here forever.
I'm tired of hiding.
I'm done. This is not my fight.
We're not done.
Look, I was supposed to get paid some money to do a simple job and to become much more than I bargained for. You have your reasons to keep at it, but for me, no thanks.
I understand. Then you stay. I must go.
These people have spent years running this game. What's wrong with saving yourself?
We have spent years, lifetimes, fighting. If I do not fight, all their struggle will be for nothing. My brother's words spoke of a better life. A world of truth and love. A life where all will have their share of dignity and hope. Can't you understand? If I do not answer this call to fight, I will have no self worth saving.
I guess I'm used to not having a self worth saving.
You've sold it, dear boy. Little by little, piece by piece. Such a pity. Don't worry. It was good business.
I thought so at the time. Stay with me.
I can't.
Please.
Let me see. There must be something you have not sold.
Maybe I have a self worth saving after all. Wow, look at that. That's a lot of money, Kurt. Yeah, it would make it easier for me to retire. Alright, I'll meet you there.
Turn around! Turn around! Keep walking! Don't look back! Sit. Sit. It's
clear to me now. My mistake was to think that you could be trusted.
Come now. You have made a comfortable living as an active agent of duplicity and deception. It is a rare thing to see such a change of conscience. I applaud you. But at your age, I would think you would have outgrown such adolescent idealism years ago.
It's not idealism, Kurt. It's understanding who one's friends are, and that there's more to the future than a primary surplus.
Let me tell you about my father, Lawrence. He was a simple banker in Germany during the 30s. Gave to charity, lived humbly, was free of all scandals, had many Jewish friends even. He made a huge profit during World War II as head of his bank in Frankfurt. Yet, he never joined the Nazi Party. He didn't have to. By absorbing newly Aryanized banks taken by the state from Jewish stockholders, he quadrupled his holdings by the end of the war. Hitler was an amateur, he told me, and warned me to always stay out of the spotlight. The power of money is that it's invisible. If you treat it well, you can remain in power from the shadows. There'll always be thugs to wield a stick when needed, yeah? He continued on after the war as if nothing had happened. His holdings actually doubled after the German debt was forgiven in London in '53.
I see, you've thought it all out. But don't worry, I don't expect you to repent. I expect you to be stopped.
There will be others after me, Lawrence. You are a tightrope walker in a lunatic circus, and it's a very long fall. You think you'll be rewarded with applause from the groundlings. On the contrary, you will be washed away like footprints in the sand.
That suits me just fine.
Well, excuse me, I have pressing travel plans. I hope you are amused by these theatrics, Lawrence.
I am indeed. Better get on with your travel plans.
You're under arrest.
My name is Murphy. Murphy! Ridiculous. What are you talking about?
Come with
I'm
us.
calling my lawyer. You will hear from my government. Hey, you like football, maybe, huh? Box seats, what do you think? No, Jay-Z, right? You like music, Jay-Z.
Come with us.
Ridiculous.
Talking.
Don't worry, I'll be back.
What have you got us into?
I will fix this.
Hey Rachel, I know things haven't been great between us. I take all the blame for that. I won't be coming back for a while. There's lots to do here before I can think about the future. We're in the clear though. Check the news. DMG Group and BBHM are being prosecuted. I've sent you the drive with the files on BBHM. They've been funneling money from Zorik and the Russian mob into the US presidential campaign, just as you thought. You were right about that, just like so many other things. I'll always admire you for that. Someone will call you with a code to make sure the drive hasn't been intercepted. There's a fortune-telling machine on the Venice boardwalk. Get one of those fortune cards. That's our marker. put it in the envelope with the drive and the code, and place it in the dead drop there by the beach at exactly 4:15. And the press contact will retrieve it within 10 minutes. At that point, we can only hope that the Western press will take the torch from there. Thanks for bearing with me, Rachel, on this and so many other things.
What's up?
Can't enjoy myself when others are suffering.
So you practice austerity on a personal level?
It's a debt that I have.
To whom do you owe this debt?
To those who came before me.
You should be more generous.
I don't have much to give.
Generous to yourself.
I don't need anything.
We all need to grow.
Are you concerned about my well-being, Mr. Lawrence?
Strangely enough, I think I am.
Surprised you're concerned with anything at all. You are a mercenary, after all.
Only by fate. And now my fate seems to be taking me in an entirely different direction.
Ah? A man of leisure seeks amusement.
Not amusement. Meaning.
And where do you think you'll find this meaning?
The burning city is a blossoming flower.
So it's become personal after all. It's not easy becoming human.
I'm willing to try if you are.
Yes. Let's try.
Congress in the United States has significant power. Bankers, after 2008, got sweet deals on both sides of the Atlantic. Nevertheless, Congress feels that it has both the power and the responsibility to rein in on those shenanigans. In Europe, we don't have anything like Congress. The European Parliament is a poor excuse of a Congress. And what we do have instead of Congress is very cozy, close relationships between national government politicians and so-called national bankers. I think that just by looking at this closer relationship, some kind of answer to your question begins to take shape.
In my view, there is no more obvious example of the failure of austerity policies than what is going on in Greece. For more than 5 years, Greece has cut pensions. Greece has slashed its government workforce. Greece has made deep spending cuts that have eviscerated its social safety net. It has imposed massive spending cuts that have caused devastating pain to some of its most vulnerable people. It has done this because its creditors, led by Germany, have insisted that austerity is the only way to dig Greece out of its debt.
Владимир Путин одобрил кандидатуру на пост министра промышленности и Industry and Energy in the Putin government. The president has made note of Zorik's financial accomplishments towards the stabilization of the ruble against the euro. He has major investments in oil drilling in Azerbaijan and the e-commerce technology sector.
Mr. Waldenstein,
do you feel that you had a fair trial?
I have no comment about the trial, but my counsel informs me that we have a good chance on it. But I would like to say for the record that everything I've done has been completely legal and with the interest of making the most profit for my investors. And also to add that while there are fines we will absorb, that our investors are totally protected, their assets, their accounts are watertight, and their profits will continue uninterrupted regardless of this unrelenting attempt by our rivals to discredit our practices.
Do you have any remorse for the corruption which you had taken part in and the damages to the world economy?
Listen, whenever someone uses the word corruption, they are really complaining about some person's ingenuity in finding a profitable deal that no one else has thought of yet, or had the will to execute. The nature of capitalism is this. Profit will find a way. Money, you see, has a mind of its own, a life of its own. It will find its own way to increase. If not me, it will find some other vehicle to help it increase. If the government is unwilling to control it, if people are willing to remain ignorant, then those of us with a bit of insight into what's happening will follow it wherever it wants to go, to be its happy slaves and reap generous rewards. It is like a force of nature, like a bacteria or virus. We are merely its hosts. I have no more comments.
Mr. Rosenstein, what do you have to say about IMF? About Einstein.
I came across this line from Sophocles. Men of ill judgment often ignore the good that lies within their hands till they have lost it.